tonight we are making Santa's absolute favorite cookie, but you don't have to have it at Christmas time. Girls, what are we making tonight? Snickerdoodles! Stay tuned, you won't want to miss it. All right, let's start with the wet ingredients, and it's gonna look like a lot, but Ayla, do you wanna go ahead and put those 2 sticks of butter, just drop it in there? Got it?
I like to do it the sticky way first. You can put the fork on it.
There you go, thank you.
I want to.
And we're gonna go ahead and add some white sugar and some brown sugar. You wanna put that in for us too?
I'm so hungry.
You're so hungry, oh my goodness. We're gonna have some yummy cookies, and we're gonna start it on low. Now, make sure and put the butter that it's room temperature, because you're not gonna want cold butter. It's not gonna cream up really well like you like. And as you can see, we're starting out kind of on a low speed. And once you see that it's starting to mix up really well and it's kind of getting creamy, go ahead and put it on a little higher speed. All right. What do you think? Is it looking good, Kari?
Looking great, like
looking good. Okay. Once it's mixed up, we're gonna add an egg and a yolk of another egg into it. And some vanilla. You can't do cookies without vanilla. This is delicious and smells delicious. You wanna take a whiff?
No thanks.
No thanks? Smell. Mmm, delicious. All right, we'll turn it back on for a little bit. Slow, and then as it gets mixed up, we'll turn it on more.
It's on red.
No, it's not red. It's not red.
It's on red. It's like that.
Yeah, it looks delicious. It smells amazing. All right, let's turn it up for a little bit, and we're gonna go ahead and whip it up really good for a good about 2 minutes, okay? Look at that, girls. All right.
Delicious.
Perfect. Okay, now Kari, while I'm mixing up all these dry ingredients, will you stir that up for me?
Oh, yeah.
Now this is sugar and cinnamon, and what we're gonna do, just stir it up like this. Just mix it all around, okay?
Okay.
Mixes real good. Now this is for the outside of the cookie before we place it in the oven, and this is what makes it a snickerdoodle. Now, this is basically a sugar cookie, but this is that cinnamon and sugar that's gonna be that granulated sugar on top that's gonna give it that delicious crunch. Okay, so now we're working on the dry ingredients, and with that, as you can see, we have some baking soda. Now this is some all-purpose flour, and make sure and look at the bottom for all of the specific ingredients and measurements. We also have some cream of tartar, some kosher salt, and cinnamon. So Ayla, now this is your turn. Can you mix that up real good?
Yeah.
Just mix it up real good, not real fast because it can go everywhere, but just, yep, and keep going. See, oh, you're doing such a good job. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn it back on low, just put it up 1 to level 1, very good. And I'm just gonna add a little bit in at a time because we don't wanna add a lot or we're gonna have a big puff of flour everywhere, okay?
Yeah.
Mix it in just gradually.
You just wanna do it light.
Just light, that's right. You're so smart.
That's because I'm 5.
Oh, it's because you're 5. All right, now you don't want to mix this too much. This looks just about right, just like that texture right there.
You always want to clean your hands before you cook.
That's right. Did y'all wash y'all's hands before y'all came?
Yeah.
You did, didn't you?
Yeah.
It's a big piece. Oh my goodness. Oh, it looks so great. All right.
I want to lick that.
Yeah, you can lick that, but we got to wait until we're done, okay?
That's
okay. Shh, don't tell anybody.
Me.
Okay, now Kari's gonna help me with this. Now, what you're gonna wanna do is make it into a ball. Oh my goodness. And you're gonna lay it in there, and remember, roll it all around. Don't smush it down, just roll it so you get that cinnamon and sugar all over it. Can you roll it? There you go. All right. Get it on all the edges. Can Mommy help you just a little bit? Make sure we get it all over. And this is what makes it delicious. So be generous, okay? Now will you place that right here on the parchment paper? Perfect. That's right. And you want to place these because they're pretty big cookies. Place them about 1 inch to 1.5 inches apart. We're going to go ahead and roll up and put the cinnamon and sugar mixture on the rest of these and put them in the preset oven that we currently have warmed up to 400 for about 8 to 10 minutes. And we'll see you on the other side.
Are you waiting for cookies?
I can't wait.
You can't wait? Are you starving?
I love candy.
Well, what about cookies? You like cookies too? What's your favorite cookie? Snickerdoodle? Oh.
Say piano. Banana.
Very good. She's
She
learning.
said it in the cute way.
So the Snickerdoodle cookies was in the oven for probably about 8 minutes. I pulled it out, let it cool. You're gonna wanna put it on a rack, and it is done. They're still warm, and look how amazing this is. This is why I love this recipe for Snickerdoodles. You don't see Snickerdoodles that are like that. Like that's kind of like cakey brownie. It is like delicious. It's got substance, and then when you open it up, it is absolutely amazing. Are y'all getting tempted at all yet? Oh, well, oh, ah. Here you go. Try it. Oh, that's so good. Oh my goodness. What do you think?
Good? Good.
Good. It is good. Hey, look, if you like what we're doing, subscribe below. We'd love for you to be a part of the family. We'll see you next time.
And also, subscribe on the button.
Yes, subscribe please below. Hey, say piano.
I don't know.